Hey everybody, it is Sherry. I am going to do this video unedited since I'm just starting to learn how to edit, and I love um, what I'm learning, but it takes me a long time. So I wanted to get this video out. It is, let's see, episode 4 for the ISSA links party that Scrapdaworld is putting on. I just really quickly wanted to show you what I created. Sorry about my phone going off there. Before I got the bag all bagged up, everything I created is done with the let's see, what is it? Maggy Holms Willow Lane 6x8 paper pad, and I also got like all of these stickers and stuff. um, so everything that I created is done with that, and all of the dies that I used are AliExpress dies, so I just wanted to let you know. But let me turn this around so you guys can see it. I put glue dots on the back, so I'm not going to show you every single one off of the paper, but here are my bag toppers. Go down this row, and they are very glittery. I used glue and glittered them up. Um, AliExpress dies and stickers from the Maggy Holmes thing I just showed you. Here's the other one. And then this one I did differently than the other two. I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I just layered her stickers. They're very thick stickers. Chipboard stickers. What I noticed about Maggy Holmes, because I've never used her stuff before, is that everything she has is really thick. Her paper is thicker, her embellishments, or yeah, chipboard stuff, her stickers, everything is a whole lot thicker. I made this one here, it's just a circle with an envelope with a little letter in here, and it says spread love on it, is what the sticker says. And then these two, I got these little things from Michael's online. Everything I get, almost everything I get has to be online. And then I just took I just made two flag type on the hangers. One says together, and the other one says family. This one says family on it. And I just put some flat back pearls. They're the Jot from the dollar store. That's what they are on those. And then I have a rosette that I layered with a fan and a flower. And I stickled it all up and made it really shiny and everything. And then the last one that I made is just a rosette with a little heart on there. It says, "You are loved." Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed that. I can't wait to get this out to Tamika. I think I'm going to send it to her. I'm still debating. If you like what I made, please leave me a comment. Let me know that you liked it and what you liked about it. If you guys have any suggestions on anything, you can leave those in the comment as well. And anyways, they're going to be bagged up all like this. And the bag topper is actually I got this from a swap, so I did not make this bag topper. I am reusing a swap that I received from, oh, where did her card go? I'm not sure exactly where her card went, so I can't tell you which one of my swap members did it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I know that they were supposed to be all done up, so there they are. I hope you enjoyed this video, and go give Miss Scrap to World some love there, Miss Tamika, and get in on this. Go to her YouTube site. go down on under show more, go to her website. It tells you everything that you need to do for the ISSA link party, and just have some fun with it. We're having fun, getting to know each other, and enjoying to see what each other has created. All right, again, thanks for watching. Bye.